Hi, hello everybody. Welcome to Maisa Academy. My name is Maisa Suresh. Today we will discuss part 4 of Vedic mathematics, in which we will discuss 3-digit multiplication, that is 3-digit into 3-digit multiplication or 3-digit into 2-digit multiplication. Multiplication of 3-digit numbers which are near to 100. So if you go with one example, 104 into 103. 104, how much more than 100? 4. 103, how much more than 100? 3. So 4 into 3, 12. 104 plus 3, 107. This is the answer. If you go with another example, 108 into 107. 108, how much more than 100? 8. 107, 7. So 8 into 7, 56. 108 plus 7, 150. If you go with another example, 113 is multiplied with 112. So 113, how much more than 100? 13. 112, how much more than 100? 12. 13 into 12, 156. Keep 56, 1 carry forward. Next, 113 plus 12, 125 plus 1, 126. Fourth example, we will take one value more than 100, another value less than 100. For example, 104 into 98. 104, how much more than 100? Plus 4. 98, how much less than 100? Minus 2. So plus into minus, minus 4 into 2, 8. Keep 0, 8 because we are comparing with 100. So you have to keep 2 digits. So 104 minus 2, 102. You can do 104 minus 2 or 98 plus 4. 104 minus 2, 102. Keep 2 zeros. So answer is 29101. If you go with another example, 105 multiplied with 96. 105 is multiplied with 96. 105, how much more than 100? 5. 96, how much less than 100? 4. So 5 into 4, 20. So plus minus, plus into minus, minus. So 105 minus 4. So 10100. So answer is 0, 8, 0 numbers which are near to 1000. For example, 1005 is multiplied with 1007. So 1005, how much more than 1000? 5. 1007, how much more than 1000? 7. So 5 into 7, 35. Keep 0, 3, 5 because here we are comparing with 1000. So you have to keep 3 digits. Next, 1005 plus 7, 1012. Next, second example, 1003 is multiplied with 1006. So 3 into 6, 18. Keep 0. 1003 plus 6, 1009. To go with third example, 1013 is multiplied with 1012. So 13 into 12, 156. 3 digits are there. 1013 plus 12, 1020. Now we will take one value more than 1000 and another value less than 1000. So 1002 is multiplied with 998. So 1002, how much more than 100? 1000 plus 2. 998, how much less than 1000? Minus 2. Then plus into minus, minus 2 into 2, 4. So 0, 0, 4 you have to write. 1002 minus 2, 1000. Keep 3 zeros. Then if you subtract 0, 0, 4, then 6 9 9 9 9 9. This is the answer. Next trick, multiplying numbers with different bases. For example, 85 is multiplied with 995. Here 85 is near to 100 and 995 is near to 1000. So convert 85 into 10, it will become 850. So 850, how much less than 1000? Minus 150. 995, how much less than 1000? Minus 5. So minus into minus plus, 15 5s are 75, keep 0. So 850 minus 5, 845. So answer is 845 750. And here we have multiplied with 10, then divide with 10. This will become 845 75 is the answer. If you go with another example, 109 is multiplied with 997. 109 is multiplied with 9, so that 981 it will become. 981, how much less than 1000? Minus 19. 997, how much less than 1000? Minus 3. Minus into minus plus, 19 into 3, 57, keep 057. 981 minus 3, 978. So 978 057 divided by 9, because here we have multiplied with 9, then divide with 9. 9 ones are 9, 0 8s are 54. So this is the answer. Multiplication of any number by 111. So 111, how to calculate? For example, if you take 134 multiplied with 111. So take 4 at the right hand. So 4 plus 3, 7. 4 plus 3 plus 1, 8. 3 plus 1, 4, 1. This is the answer. To go with another example, 1345 is multiplied with 111. So 5, keep 5. 5 plus 4, 9. 5 plus 4, 9 plus 3, 12. 1 carry forward, leave 5. 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. 3 plus 1, 4, 1. Next one. To go with another example, 36482 is multiplied with 111. So keep 2. 2 plus 8, 10, 1. 10 plus 4, 14. 14 plus 1, 15. 1 carry forward. Next, leave 2. 8 plus 4, 12. Plus 6, 18. Plus 1, 19. 1 carry forward. 4 plus 6, 10. 10 plus 3, 13. 13 plus 1, 14. 1 carry forward. Next, 3 plus 6 plus 3, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. 3 plus 1. Next trick, multiplication of any number by multiple of 111. For example, if you take 16,752 is multiplied with 222. First multiply 752 into 2, then multiplied with 111. This will become 4, 2 5s are 10, 2 7s are 14, 15, 2 6 are 12, 13, 2 1s are 2, 3. So into 111. This will become 4, 4 plus 0, 4, 4 plus 0 plus 5, 9. Next, leave 4, 0 plus 5 plus 3, 8. Next leave 0. 5 plus 3 8. 8 plus 3 11 1. Next 3 plus 3 6. 6 plus 1 7. Next 3. So answer is 3718944. If you go with another example, 49356 is multiplied with 555. First 49356 multiply with 111, and as into 5 we can do it as into 10 by 2. So we'll do this one. 6 plus 5 11, 1 carry forward. 11 plus 3 14 15, 1 carry forward. 3 plus 5 8, 8 plus 9 17, plus 1 18, 1 carry forward. Next 3 plus 9 12, 12 plus 4 16, plus 1 17, 1 carry forward. 9 plus 4 13, 13 plus 1 14, 4 plus 1 10 by 2. This will become 2 2s are 2 7s are 2 3s are 2 9s are 2 5 8 0. So 2739258 Next, multiplying 3-digit number with a 3-digit number. This is a cross multiplication method. For example, 123 I want to multiply with 456. So we will go with pictorial representation first. We have already discussed 2-digit multiplication. This is the first step. Then you have to multiply these 2 digits. Second step. Next step, multiply diagonally, then sum of it. This is the third step. This is the fourth step. Then the final step, the fifth step. So if you see here, 1 2 3 2 1 combination. So 1 2 3 2 1 combination. So we will directly go with the example. 6 3s are 18, 1 carry forward. 6 into 2 12, 5 into 3 15, 12 plus 15 27 28 2. 6 1s are 6, 4 3s are 12, 12 plus 6 18, plus 10 28, plus 2 30. 5 into 1 5, 4 into 2 8, 13, 13 plus 3 16, 1 carry forward. 4 into 1 4 plus 1 56088. If we go with another example, 257 is multiplied with 348. 8 into 7 56, keep 5. 8 into 5 40, 4 into 7 28, 40 plus 28 68, 68 plus 5 73, 8 into 2 16, 3 into 7 21, 16 plus 21 37, 5 into 4 20, 20 plus 37 57, 57 plus 7 64, 4, 4 into 2 8, 5 into 3 15, 8 plus 15 23, 23 plus 6 29,
9 to carry forward, 3 into 2 6 plus 2 8.
894 36, 89,436. Next trick, multiplying 3-digit number with a 2-digit number. Example, 128 is multiplied with 36. So this can be written as 128,036. 8 into 6 48, 4 carry forward. 6 into 2 12, 3 into 8 24, 24 plus 12 24, 34 plus 2 36, 40, 4 carry forward. Next 6 into 1 6, 3 into 2 6, 6 plus 6 12, 12 plus 4 16, 1 carry forward. 3 into 1 3 plus 1 4608. So go with another example. 56 is multiplied with 345. This can be written as 056 345. 6 into 5 30, keep 3. 5 into 5 25, 4 into 6 24, 24 25, 49, 49 plus 3 52, 5 into 0 0, 3 into 6 18, 5 into 4 20. So 18 plus 20 38, 38 plus 5 43. Next 3 into 5 15 plus 4 19, 19,320. So thank you for watching this video. For any queries and suggestions, please contact myself Suresh. This is my WhatsApp number. You can contact to this number also. You can mail to mysaacademy2020@gmail.com. If you like this video, please subscribe, share and like, comment. Thank you.